I often do this in conferences or in front of leaders in workshops. And I ask people, why does this pen fall? Why does this pen fall? And normally people answer me only two answers. One is the pen falls because of gravity. That's the answer number one. And the second is the pen falls because I dropped it, because I let it go. That's why the pen falls, because I let it go. Now both the answers are correct, right? The pen falls because of gravity, and then the pen falls because I let it go. But one of them, the gravity answer, is outside of my control. I cannot do anything about it. The second that I let it go, I can do something about it. And let me tell you, everything which happens in your life, you can have two answers which are both equally right, but one in your control and one outside of your control. And depending on how you answer that question will shape everything in your life, in your leadership. Will change your life and leadership if you can answer the question based on what you did to make that happen, irrespective of whatever gravity or other thing it is.